Hi everyone, it's me Lana from Create Login and Delete. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your ChatGPT Plus not working. Now without any further ado, let's move into the video. So you might be in the position where you try to log in or create your ChatGPT 4 account, but you are not being able to access to the page of ChatGPT 4. One of the reasons might be that the server of ChatGPT is down. In this case, all you gotta do is wait for the ChatGPT to fix their server. But the next thing you can try doing is tap on this three dot at the top right corner. Tap on Settings. Scroll down and head over to Site Settings. The option of all sites will be visible to you. Tap on it. Right here you need to move into the site of ChatGPT. You need to clear the data of this site, so tap on Clear and Reset. Once again tap on Clear and Reset. Once it is cleared, you can go back to the ChatGPT site and you'll be good to go. But if it still doesn't fix your problem, then in the next step what you can do is head over to your Play Store or an App Store. In the search bar, search for VPN. Tons of VPN will be available to you. Move into any one of it. You have to download any one of the VPN on your device. Once it is installed on your device, tap on Open. It will land you on this interface. In order to connect to different server, tap on this icon. It will search for fastest server for you. There you can see that it has connected to different server. Now you can just move ahead to your ChatGPT site and you'll be good to go. So this is it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to fix your ChatGPT 4 not working. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.